Hey guys, how's it going? If you haven't been following this blog, I'm doing a video blog every day that mirrors my actual accounts. And so I've opened up a paper trading account on TD Ameritrade just so that I can walk you and some friends through the process of how to buy and sell options. I'm a contrarian trader, and so today I'm going to be showing how to close some positions on the S&P 500 futures and also selling some calls. So if you followed for the past couple of days, I'm a contrarian trader, so we've been going up on the ES, and as we've been going up, I've been looking at some news that is conservative news, but it's news that is not shown on mainstream media. And on the Gateway Pundit, it shows that there's a lot of fraud that's been happening in all of the different states, and that a lot of these witnesses are coming forward and testifying in front of the senates of all of these swing states. So what we're seeing is the beginnings of action being taken by these legislative bodies in the swing states, and it's going to go all the way to the Supreme Court. And everybody who is looking at this, uh, that we're seeing all of this evidence come out, batches of 23,000 that are fraudulent, Dominion machines that are flipping votes. They all say that there's a chance that Trump could overturn the election because of all the evidence of fraudulent activity during the election. So because of that, I've been going short. However, markets have been known to be irrational longer than people can be solvent. So I've been short, and it's been painful every single day because the markets are going up. Today, we had non-farm payroll numbers that were half of what the projected forecast was. And this is during Q4. This is during um, the most busy season of the year, and non-farm payrolls have dropped half of what the expected jobs were. And still the market goes up 22 points, almost 1%. And this is, when markets there's a momentum in one direction, even bad news doesn't turn it around. But it shows you that markets are irrational, and it's what goes up has to come down. So as a contrarian, you start building, I started building a short position uh, probably 3 weeks ago, and have taken losses every single week. So the key to being a contrarian is you have to look at your position and not have a huge position, because the markets can be irrational longer than you can be solvent. So managing that size. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how I manage size, and I'm going to sell two future contracts that are short. And instead of holding short those contracts, I'm going to replace those with selling some calls. So instead of buying all five, I'm going to buy back two of these contracts. And I'm going to put in a market order just for the purpose of the video. Let's send that in. And you can see that's filled. So now I'm going to sell a call instead, 45 days out, because 45 days is a nice, that's when the most theta decays. Go to the 42, and we're going to sell a call at the 0.2 delta, so that is 38.50. Right now we're trading at 36.85, so that's a pretty safe price. We would have to go to 38.50 way up here for us to lose any money. So that's why trading options is such, it's a way better, you have way better chances of making money when you trade options instead of just the outright. So that's why I bought back some of the outright options, and we're going to sell the 20 delta. We're going to sell two contracts of this, and this should give us $2,000 credit, and if we can get filled. And there you go. We got filled on two contracts, and we collected $2,000 in premium. So as the market turns around and starts going down, we should be able to make some premium on that. We have about $20,000 in buying power, so that is about 20% of our account. So I'm going to do that, and then jumping into cryptocurrency. Um, right now, the markets are pulling back in crypto. This is Bitcoin, and we can see Bitcoin is down by like 2%. So overall, in my crypto account, um, for the whole week, it's down like $3,000. So that's about 3%, and in my other account, about 10%. So probably 13% for the week. Not a good week, but we're setting up for the turnaround. So hopefully next week will be better, and I will see you soon.